You know what? I think I'm gonna leave it right like that. Right like that. You'll just have to look through there when I do around the soap dispenser and stuff. The soap dish, the soap dispenser. Okay. I could have my little knee pad in here, but hey, I don't. Let's see how I do that back and forth like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I want to make sure you can see me dipping that. Okay. Just kind of pay attention how I'm dipping the sealer out of there. That way you can see how I'm not getting a whole lot of sealer on there at any one time. I get some off, but see, I can go back and forth like that, and then get it on there. Pick up some extra right in there and slide it on again. Right there where the grout line is, wiggle it a little bit, and it'll get right on in there. Okay. Put it upside down so it doesn't spill, so you can get it on there. I've got most of it here, so now I can kind of work this little area right there. And I probably have enough on there that I can get on my paintbrush, move it around. Okay. And if I didn't have the video camera on, would I do it any different way than how I'm showing you for this? No. It's the very same way. See there, I can do it that way and get more off the brush that had been saturated on there. I know I still got just the same amount on there that I do everywhere else. Okay. Well, we'll do the bottom. I'll do the bottom now. Let's just get it over with on this one. Okay, I haven't even hit the bottom yet. Get myself a little bit. Put it right there. Put it right here. Push down. Angle. Push, angle. See? Now I'm getting some off because I'm getting too much at the bottom. Okay. There we go. Now see, I don't want to go this way because it's hard for me to see down there. So on this one, I'm still gonna do it the same way because I can see better right down here as I'm doing it that way. I got it right there. Okay. But now, on this next tile, I can't do it that way, can I? How am I going to hit that bottom now? Well, I'm going to have to go down this way and look at it that way and then pull it that way. See, slide it down, do it that way. There we go. Wow. There. Put a little more on there. Everywhere else. There we go. I did it too fast. Got a little drip there. But like I say, when a couple days from now, I'll go through here and slide my hand all over everywhere on here, clean it off with razor blade, and it'll be good as new. No matter what I do, you're gonna get some on your tub. Not a whole lot if you're careful, but even if I didn't get any, some of this is going to drag down and build up on that bottom edge. Okay, it's just a given. So see how I dip it on there, flip it upside down, and then get it up there. It doesn't want to drip. If I just go up like that, I already saw some drip. If I go like that to put it on there, I'm going to have all kinds of drips all over the tub then. Not the worst thing that's going to happen. But you see, I don't have any craft paper, plastic, drop cloths, anything like that in the tub. Nothing. Because I'm being careful. Okay. Take it, slide it down, angle, push down, angle. How easy is that? Need a little bit right in there. Okay. There we go. Now I've got 4 more tiles to go, and I'm kind of back in this corner, but I kind of I'm doing it for a reason so that you can see how I'm going to cut in around. I'm going to work from back here this way, I guess. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do these. I'll just keep going. Okay. And this little thing here has got grout around it in some areas. Okay. I might as well hit that before I go any further. I think I hit that trim just barely. That thing. Okay, that one's still on there. I've got to remember where I've been, where I haven't been. Just kind of pay attention. Okay, now I gotta, yeah, that's right, I have not done this tile, right? Okay. And I've gotta be careful with this. I think the other time I did it, I was facing the other way. But hey, I'm gonna do it this way this time so you can see what I'm doing. And get all the way around here. Oh, see? Get it even, just get it even. You know? That's all you gotta do. Get it even. Yeah, see, I don't want any of that to drip now, do I? Then it's on my pants. I should have my painting pants on, but these are not necessary. These are gonna be my new painting pants here, probably. Because my other ones are all ripped up. Okay. I think I'm going to just finish this tile over here. Slide it down, and away you go. Slide it down at 45. You got to do it at a 45, because if you don't, you're going to get it on that other, your tub surface, see? That's why when you're using a paintbrush to cut in, you gotta pull it out at an angle. Most times, okay? This will give you a good understanding how to use your paintbrush when it comes time to painting, right? Yeah. This is my last tile I gotta do. I don't know how much of that you're gonna see, but you know, whatever angle you're at, make it work. Make it work. Okay. Okay. That's it. For the inside. Look at that. Woo! And that's my second coat inside the tub. And I hardly have any sealer left in there, and that's okay. You know, I don't have to keep filling up my pan any. Doesn't that look nice so far? So far of what I've done. Okay, granted, I still have to hit the grout line from the ceiling on down this edge, and I've got those two tiles. So then I have to cut in all this, paint that all the way down, right? And then I have to do this edge and those tiles. Okay, I'm going to do that next. All right, so if you want to watch that, stick around. But you see on the inside of there, that looks really good. No drip marks, no lines in it. That's going to dry just fine when it gets all done. The second coat, oh, that looks sharp. Okay, stick with me if you want to watch more. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.